Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the circling moon in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in the eastern court to the east of the letter S in the word Demonis. As far as I know, you need to be at least in chapter 8 to unlock the quest line where we'll acquire the weapon. The faction quest will be under Demonis and inside House Elamor. You will be tasked to face the lunar emissaries in this quest line. There will be a couple of bosses you need to face, starting with the Southern Court, then the East and Western Court will unlock once you complete the time to face Justice. Following the quest tracker will lead you to this boss that you'll be required to defeat. After defeating the boss, clear out the court and this will trigger a cutscene that will reset the area. You can get the weapon in front of the cabin on the left. This weapon comes with 21 attack, level 2 critical rate, and it's on its 4th level of refinement. But what's special about this weapon is its Gearful Moon Slash. After a certain amount of light attacks, a wave of energy will shoot out from your weapon. There are 3 versions of this weapon with the gears like this. So, if you're trying to build around light attacks, then acquiring the 3 moon weapons should be your priority. And that is how to get the circling moon in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.